They say consistency is key, but I think I found the real hack here. There is much more at play than just staying consistent. Let me start with an example of what it means. For my channel, to get started, I followed some simple advice from Ali Abdu, which was be an archaeologist, not an architect. Just start digging, start posting videos, get familiar with the platform, get feedback. And I did that and I was consistent with it. Holding my phone up, recording videos, and just starting. But if I would have just kept doing that, the same exact style, without improving things along the way, I would have missed out on exactly what caused my video to go viral, to do really well, to get me monetized. I recorded a segment of 10-ish videos doing that with my phone. And then on the next segment, I decided to do something a little different. I decided to try where I set my phone up, kind of like we are here, and talking to the camera and sharing specific steps of how I got to things. I started sharing similar things to what I was sharing before in this different format, but I was coming at it from a different angle. This was all because I had this idea of I need to keep growing as I go, or I'm always going to be stuck in the same place. You've probably heard the quote by Albert Einstein, insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and thinking that you'll get a different result. But how can you actually apply this? What does that look like for your channel? If you've watched my previous videos, we talk a lot about understanding the end game of where you want to go and also what kind of creators and what kind of niche you're in. The first step is studying your competitors and seeing what they're doing. What things do they do really, really well in their storytelling, in their visuals and how everything's set up, and in their delivery, the way that they actually talk and share on camera. With the quality of the video, I see a lot of creators get stuck in the, I feel like I need to change things with the quality of my video first and that's going to make the biggest difference. But just what I've heard from other creators and noticed in my own work is it's not about that. That's not the biggest thing. What matters is actually the content that you're sharing and the value that you're bringing to people. YouTube ultimately wants people to stay on their platform longer. We've all heard this. So what's most important is that your titles, your thumbnails, and then what's actually in your video is the most relevant thing for your audience. This is likely what your competitor or your dream, where you want to be at, is doing, right? They're giving you exactly what you want. They're delivering on their promise of their thumbnail and their title. How can you do this even better? Make a list of everything they do really well. I remember I made a list. There was this YouTuber, her name is Nisha, and she had these simple videos. I loved how simple they were, but they looked professional and clean. I'm still working up to that because my background and stuff's pretty simple right now. It doesn't necessarily look professional, but it gives a bit of an adventurous vibe, which is more my style. But I wrote everything out that she did that I liked. I liked that it was straight to the point, that she gives you action steps in her videos. She has simple call to actions. Whenever she promoted a product, it was always in a personable way. I like the way she recommended videos at the end. These were all little things that I knew I needed to do, but I wasn't really doing yet. So I wrote them all out. After I finished my first phase of recording my videos, vlog style, I just uploaded those, let them go, because that was important to just put it out there, start getting feedback, start getting a feel for how to upload and put my thumbnails with everything. For my second phase of videos, I decided to do more of a hook in the beginning, explaining what was going to happen. These are the 3 things that I'm going to be discussing here. You're not going to want to miss this. I began pointing at the end of my videos and saying, all right, this is the video that you should watch next. You're going to love it. I hope you enjoy. I started doing all these things that she was doing and that I had written down from other creators as well. And that opened up a world of possibilities for my new segment of videos that were coming out. So my next 10, I did reviews of travel places that I had been. And one of those videos got picked up on the browse feature and helped me get monetized. Had I not made that small change of seeing what I needed to improve next and growing as I was being consistent, that's what got me to that goal. Had I not done that, I don't think I would have gotten monetized, honestly. All this to say, without having an accountability partner with me as well, I don't think I would have gotten to my goal. So I have a free accountability group that you can join below if you just want to sign up there. I'd love to have you in the group, provide some encouragement, some instruction on your journey to getting monetized on YouTube. Congratulations for starting. Thanks for watching this video. And if you liked this one, I think you're gonna love this next one on the journey to getting monetized. We will see you in the next video. Have a good day.